O, 'di ba? Ang kinang, ang ganda. Mura lang 'yan, guys. Dito 'yan sa Be Fine. So, ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo ang na-receive na jewelry ring from Be Fine Jewelry. As you can see, we're gonna do voiceover because I'm wearing my microphone, but it didn't turn on, so I didn't realize until now na wala din naka-turn on ako ang microphone. But anyway, yes, I got this ring from Be Fine and I super love their collections. Honestly, I have a tons of jewelry from Be Fine, and they have a very good quality at affordable prices. If you're looking for something to add accent or bling to your outfit, you should grab some of this ring, like this ring from Be Fine, kasi sobrang ganda, sobrang kinang, and hindi talaga siya putyo-putyo yung quality. Sobrang ganda. Ma-amaze kayo yung quality niya, and then the price, it really didn't match because the price is very affordable, and yung quality niya is ang ganda ng quality talaga niya. Like, more than the price na, honestly, para sa ako lang. So, yes, and thank you, Be Fine Jewelry. I really appreciate your collections. I love it so much. I wear it almost every day. So, in-exchange ko siya. Or sometimes, nag-stock ring ko siya. Kasi maganda lang talaga add accent to your outfit or bling to your outfit. Basta maganda siya for everyday use. So grab yours. I will share the link where you can get this beautiful ring.